Is it better to sell your house or fix it up first? The answer depends on your goals, and we'll break it down. When homeowners in Sacramento and surrounding areas ask about selling, one of the biggest questions is whether they should spend the money on repairs before selling or just sell the house as is. Fixing up the home before selling can sometimes increase sale price, but it also means time, stress, money, and the stress of managing repairs, contractors, and unexpected costs. For many homeowners, especially ones that want to sell fast, avoiding costly renovations and gaining peace of mind, selling as is a smart option. When you sell your home for cash with Bridgehaven Homes, you don't have to worry about cleaning, staging, and inspections, typical things that slow down a traditional sale. You share some simple details about the home, like address, condition, and timeline, and we will start evaluating. And we'll present you with a fair all-cash offer. No waiting on appraisals or buyer loan contingencies. If you decide to accept, we move forward. You can choose your close date. We will take care of all the paperwork and the closing costs, making the whole process simple and stress-free. Bridgehaven Homes makes selling as is a strong option, especially if you want to skip the repairs to sell. Visit bridgehavenhomes.com today.